Hi! So today I got my Glossybox. So I'm super excited. This is my first Glossybox since when I was pregnant, I think. Yeah, I must have been pregnant when I stopped my subscription. So this is my first one back. So this is the April 2019 box. I'm really sorry if like the lighting's really crappy. I haven't really got a decent lighting place in the house today. And my camera's just not doing what I want it to. So let's have a look. See what I got. Ooh, yes. So, as I've opened up the box, I have got a £40 off HelloFresh, £10 off for your first 4 boxes, and I'm guessing you'll have to spend so much. Doesn't say, but it says terms and conditions. So, I got the fruity box. Woo. I think you could have got a fruity one or a floral one, which I'm glad I've got the fruity one because I'm not really a flowery sort of person. Love, love, love this. So let's have a look, see what I got. So this is how it comes. Oh, something really did clunk around in there. Open that up. So you get a little booklet in there telling you obviously that you could have got a fruity or a floral one, and it tells you what's in the box, but not look at that. And then it gives you the sneak peek. I'll let you know what the sneak peek is once I've gone through this. Ooh, so I've ripped it already. So that's how it comes. Oh, it's wanting to escape. So something's already jumped out of the box, so it clearly wants me to open it. So the first thing we have is this, which is the same pattern that's on the box. And this is Your One in a Melon, Eau de Parfum by JEANNE, ARTHES, Paris. So this is full size, and the RRP for this is £20.99. So let's have a spritz. Oh, that smells really nice, that. I really like that. It's really fresh. Okay, so the next thing I have is this original Sauces shower gel, water infused apple and melon. Let's have a sniff without trying to get it on my nose. Oh no, I still got it on my nose. Ugh, I'm so crap at this. It smells really nice. To be honest, it just smells like watermelon. That's really nice though. I have a DR.PAWPAW, and this is the Hot Pink Balm Multi-Purpose Soothing Balm with natural pawpaw for lips, cheeks and cosmetic finishes with a hint of tint, fragrance free. I've still got the yellow one that I got in a glossy box many moons ago, and I just use that on my lips every now and again. Let's have a look. So I don't think hot pink is really my colour, but you never know what it looks like on. Let's just see, I have a bit of a smidgy. Right, so that's what it looks like. So it's not as like, you see? It's not as like hot pink as I thought it would be, but it's still pretty nice. Right, so next thing, oh, that was the lid. This was the item that came flying out. The next thing I have is, ooh, Hair Flick hair vitamins. I don't know if I've seen anybody get those in their box, because I do watch other ones, but so this is hair vitamins, vegan, gluten and gelatin free food supplement, blue raspberry flavour 1 week trial pack. Does it say how many you have to take? quite a lot in there for 1 week. Where's the instructions? Ingredients? I cannot find it. I am very, very silly. Do the dream of gorgeous hair. We've created these delicious hair gummies for all hair types and genders that contain a complex blend of vitamins and biotin, scientifically formulated to support natural hair growth. But I can't see where it says how many to take. Does it say in the booklet? Let's have a look, booklet. Right, so this is just a trial pack, and this is $4.99 for the trial pack. For a month's supply, it's $19.99. And they do offer a 3 and 6 monthly subscription, so that's pretty good. Oh, 2 gummies a day, so you take 2 of these a day. So let's have a taste. Because my hair needs a lot of help. Since having my daughter Pixie, I've had like alopecia at the side, because that's why my hair's like really weird lengths at each side, because I used to have like a fringe, but I can't wear my hair like that because I've like got bald patches like here on the side of my head. If I can get into it. No, let me into you. Have I got anything I can stab you with? Right. Aha, I'm in. Right, let's try you. Wish me luck. Ah! Alright, actually. Don't really taste it much. Yeah, they're pretty cool. That is going to have much time to have an effect on my hair, but we shall see. The next thing I have in my box is a DR.BOTANICALS Pomegranate Superfood Regenerating Sleeping Mask. Okay, so let's have a look at this one. So, this is... how many ml is this? So this is 30ml. This is the deluxe mini, which is worth £14, and the full size is 50ml, and that's £19. Wake up with an energising and refreshing complexion thanks to the Regeneration Sleeping Mask, rich in moisturising pomegranate. It's all natural and vegan formulated, deeply nourishing and hydrating your skin. Apply a thin layer to clean and dry skin before bed. Then let the mask work its magic whilst you sleep. Ooh. And then I have a extra treat. I don't know if that's because I am new or I'm not 100% sure. So my extra treat is this, and this is the Natural Fusions Chai Seed and Argan Oil Hair Mask. Okay, and I do like the brand Parfum, because I have really like dry like scalp and skin, so Parfum is really good for my hair. We're also treating you to an intensive and deeply conditioning hair mask that nourishes dry and damaged locks. It's formulated with argan oil, which boosts hydration and rejuvenates dull hair, as well as chai seeds, which helps protect and treat. Apply to clean and wet hair from the roots to tape. Wait 15 minutes, then rinse. This is a deluxe mini, which is £1.99, and the full size is 60 grams, and that's £2.99. So I'm going to enjoy using that one. So my box is now empty. I've just got them horrible little worms at the bottom. So I'll just go through what I have. So I have the original sauce, which was £2.30, and you can get that at Boots. I have the Your One in a Melon, and that's £20.99. Sorry if I keep looking over that, because I'm just like looking at the prices because I can't remember. The DR.PAWPAW Hot Pink, and the RRP is £6.95. I got the trial version of the hair vitamins. They were £4.99 for this size, or you can get the bigger pack for £19.99. And I got the Dr. Botanicals face mask. God, you can tell it's been a long time since I've been here. Ooh. And then I got my little freebie. Well, not my freebie, but my little extra treat, which is my hair mask by Palmer's. So yeah, I'm super excited to try these out, and I love the smell of this. It's so nice. Ooh. Oh, so pretty. So yes, I'm super excited. I'm so glad to be getting my glossy boxes again. So yes. So this is everything. This is how it actually comes. Like, shows you on the inside what you get, and like gives you a brief description of the prices. And if anyone doesn't want to know now, look away. This is the sneak peek. So in May's box, you're going to get one of these, which are, in May, we'll be treating you with one of two amazing makeup sets by Barry M. Either the Chisel Cheeks Contour Cream Kit or the Cosmetic Light Highlighter Palette. They both include 6 creams and powder shades that will also define your features and give you a flawless finish. So I'm hoping I'll get this, the highlighter palette, because I don't use either. I've never highlighted, I've never contoured. I just think I'm so fair. If I were to do any, I'd either, you know, look like a ghost and look translucent, or I would look ridiculous with big, you know. So I think I prefer highlighter, maybe. I just think I'd look silly if I tried to contour. But yeah, super excited to be back getting me glossy boxes. So I will link everything down below in my description, and I will also leave my link for the glossy box. I can't remember what it gives you. I think it gives you maybe like a couple of quid off your first box or something. But I'll put that down below anyway. So yeah. If you like my video, I know it's a bit scattered here and there because it's been a long time since I've done one. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe down below. Would mean a lot to me. And I will see you next time. Bye.